Welcome to today's practice. Have you ever felt a deep yearning for a life overflowing with abundance? Do you dream of financial security, fulfilling relationships, and a life brimming with joy and opportunity? Well, abundance is not just about material wealth. It's about living a rich and fulfilling life in all its aspects. This guided meditation will help you cultivate a mindset of abundance, opening yourself up to receive the prosperity you deserve. We will explore different facets of abundance, release limiting beliefs, and plant the seeds for a life overflowing with all that is good. So let's begin and prepare to embark on a journey towards profound prosperity. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Close your eyes softly or allow your gaze to drift downwards. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling wholly and slowly, exhaling with a soft sigh. Feel any tension releasing with each exhale. Imagine yourself surrounded by a warm, white light. This light represents your inner radiance, your potential for abundance. Feel your connection to the earth beneath you. Imagine roots growing from your base, anchoring you to stability and security. Now bring your awareness to your breath. With each inhale, visualize yourself breathing in abundance. See golden light filling your lungs, representing prosperity flowing into your life. With each exhale, release any limiting beliefs or anxieties about abundance. Let's explore different aspects of abundance. Think about love and connection in your life. Feel the warmth of cherished relationships filling your being. This too is a form of abundance. Now consider your health and well-being. Feel the strength and vitality coursing through your body. This is a precious form of abundance. Think about your creativity and talents. Imagine them blossoming and flourishing, bringing you joy and fulfillment. This is the abundance of self-expression. Take a moment to express gratitude for all the abundance in your life silently. It can be anything: a supportive family member, a beautiful sunrise, good health. Savor this feeling of appreciation. Now visualize yourself as a magnet, attracting more abundance into your life. See opportunities, resources, and positive connections flowing toward you effortlessly. Trust that the universe is conspiring to support your well-being. Repeat these affirmations silently to yourself, or whisper them aloud if that feels right. I am open to receiving abundance in all its forms. I am worthy of prosperity and success. Abundance flows freely and easily into my life. Take a few more deep breaths, feeling the renewed sense of abundance settle within you. When you feel ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing your awareness back to the room. Gently open your eyes, feeling refreshed and renewed. This feeling of abundance isn't just for this moment. Carry it with you throughout your day. Notice opportunities that may have previously seemed invisible. Trust your intuition, and take inspired action when it arises. Remember, you are a powerful magnet for prosperity. Believe in your worthiness and know that a life filled with abundance is yours for the taking.